I've got another short position here. I'm going to reset the stop. Okay, I'm going to go for a 60 tick trade on this one. This is using the breakout technique for the code 2. Let's see here. I'm down at 73.55. Where's the bottom here? Oh, I'm looking at the daily. That won't help. Okay, okay, it's already broken through. 73.55. All right. Okay, looks good. Let's go take a look at the daily. Yeah, we're looking good. It's going to go red here soon. Should be able to make this exit. I said in the charting, if it does this, if it gives a short entry, watch out for a nice big trade. Of course, I said the same thing if it goes long. Watch out for a nice big trade. So hopefully we can get a big trade here. Anyway, I'll come back. Starting to go red on the daily now. It's coming down pretty good here. Gotta make it down to 55 for 60 ticks. If it keeps moving down really, really hard here, I will go for more. Probably more like 80, maybe 100. But right now I'll just keep the 60 ticks out there. Still waiting for this thing to move down here. It's very choppy. You see this is a 10-minute chopping up and down. Very choppy and doesn't want to move a lot. But hopefully it'll start to make a move down again here soon. And I can get out for at least 40 ticks. And I'm hoping to get 60. Anyway, as I say, it keeps chopping around here. Gold is still go down though. Anyway, I'll come back. Still just waiting. This thing's just chopping up and down here in a tight little range. But hopefully it will give it up here soon and start to come down, break below this low, and go hit my exit. But you know, if it doesn't do it fairly soon, I'm going to give up on the trade and just exit. So, but I'll give it a while longer. I am going to leave for a little bit, so I'm not going to be here to watch it in case it does make a drop. I'm currently at 60 ticks. I'm going to change that. Entries at 15. I'm just going to go for 30 ticks. I'm going to put it at 85 for a 30 tick profit, because it really does not seem to be moving very much here. Might even go the wrong way on me. It's really tight. Let's see, where's my break even? I might as well put a break even stop on this thing. Let's do that too. Alright, let me see here. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, one tick ahead. Alright. So 85 for 30 ticks, or it's going to break me even up here at 14, 74.14. One of the two. It's really, really tight in here. And just not moving very much, and I need to go somewhere. But I'll be back. Just a little while I'll be back, so it won't be too long. Anyway, come back. Okay, I just got back and I see that it made it to the 30 tick exit there. So anyway, I'm out. I think what was I getting out at? I don't remember. Was it 85? Yeah, so it was right there. So it went down a little bit more than almost 15 ticks, not quite 15 ticks. So if it stays like that, it'll be a good exit, but it's probably not. It's going to go lower probably. Anyway, I'm going to get going. It was took a long time for that trade. It's already 11 o'clock here now, p.m. So anyway, I'm going to get going. I'll be back tomorrow to do some more trading, to trade the news day. And of course, I'll update the charting service and call out the trade for Wednesday. But today, it worked perfectly using the main code 2 called out within the charting. Anyway, I will be back tomorrow for some more trading. Hope all of you are being inspired by the codes, and I hope all of you code traders are watching me do this, and you are watching yourself do the same. And then you know that you're doing exactly what I'm doing. And you know you're doing it right, right? Okay, I will be back tomorrow. Happy trading out there, everyone.